Hey everyone, it's Missy here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my Hello Bluebird haul for you. So if you missed it in my update video, I mentioned that I'm coming back. I've done some shopping and I'm going to be sharing some of that with you guys. Now, Hello Bluebird has changed the way they're doing business. They are no longer selling open stock other than like some dies and stuff. They're doing monthly kits. Now, these kits are $80 or $160 and they're a monthly subscription, and it makes me kind of sad that they've switched to that. You may know that right now I have Christmas on the brain. My holiday card series starts in about a month and I'm already pre-planning that, and I love Hello Bluebird's Christmas stuff, but I don't know that I'll be able to get it if a ton of people are subscribed. And I was really shocked that they sold out as quickly as they did. The big one sold out more. I think the small one is still up for sale, and they went live on July 23rd. So I'm a little worrisome about it. Maybe I'll find some Hello Bluebird destashing. I mean, I'll probably be destashing some stuff, but I don't know. But anyway, I don't know if I talk about that in this haul or not, as I'm showing you product. But yeah, and then in this video, I also have a Whimsy stamp little haul. I got literally 2 stamp sets. There were about 8 that I wanted, but I limited myself to 2. And oh my gosh, they are so stinking cute. I can't wait for you to see them. So if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I'm a little wheezy today. The asthma's flaring up because the weather is wickety whack. So if I sound a little wheezy, it's because I'm a little wheezy. But make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to try to post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. Wednesday's video will be a card video. I have 2 birthday cards to share with you, and we'll do one this week and then one next week. And Friday will probably be my MFT haul. That haul is a little ranty too. So yeah, stick around if you haven't already. If you would be so kind as to leave a comment, I would appreciate it. Anytime you take time away from YouTube kind of punishes you for that, which I don't understand, but it is what it is. And I was gone for a long time, and I would love for you guys to come back and join me. So we've got some videos coming, and I can't wait for you to see them. So anyway, that's it. Let's head over to my craft table, and I'll show you all my new goodies. All right, friends. I can't remember if I mentioned in the intro, because I filmed that before I'm filming this, if I mentioned that I picked up a couple of things from Whimsy Stamp. So let's start there. Like, listen, I had a whole cart full. Krista, who you guys know that if you follow me at all, you know I love her digital images. I've had her digital images for probably 11 years now. Well, she has a line with Whimsy Stamps, and she no longer sells digital stamps in her Etsy shop. She just does like cookie stencils. And she had a ton of gingers that came out. And if you know me and you know my holiday card series, you know I love gingerbread. So I had like the entire cart just full of gingerbread, and I was like, Misty, you can't spend this much money. You've already spent some money. So I ended up just getting a few things because look at the Santa. Oh my gosh. So this is Santa at the Door. This is sold out. I think it's sold out really quickly. So it is he's pretty big. I think he's 3x4. But he is at the door. So this is a door with a wreath. And then here's the background. Got Merry Christmas, Santa! May the magic of the season find its way to you. Happy holidays, and then happy ho-ho holidays. And I don't know what it is about him, but this face is just so damn adorable. So adorable that I had to buy the other one. So these are both by Chrissy Armstrong. This is Santa and Friends. And I believe she's the one that does their penguin, like all their little critters that are so cute. I don't know if this is the first time she's done humans, but let me tell you, I'm pretty sure it's Chrissy Armstrong. Anyway, let me tell you, I love the Santa. I love him so very much. I think 2024's holiday card series is going to be the year of Santa. Santa! I know him! And then I picked up a slimline embossing folder. This is called Sweater. I really love this. And not very many people are making slimline products. And it's like, I want an embossing folder. I want paper. They had slimline paper, but nothing that I was really head over heels in love for. So that is my little haul from Whimsy Stamps. I applied to be on their design team twice, but they don't want me. And that's okay. All right, Hello Bluebird. The one that was the main issue was this one. This is Christmas Eve, and look at the Santa. He's so pretty. Like, this one is cute, and for me, he's just so pretty. Like, I have a really fun idea that's completely different than anything I normally do for the Santa and the cute little reindeer, but aren't they adorable? This is sold out. In fact, I'm gonna make a video in the next couple of days. I want to talk about the death of the crafting community, what's causing it, and what some stores are doing to keep afloat. And Hello Bluebird, I want that to be part of that conversation. So if that's something that you want to hear, or if you have, you know, your own opinion on it, or if you have some questions that you would like me to answer, just leave those down below. So yeah, so this is Christmas Eve, and then I picked up the dies. Apparently, they're switching dies manufacturers, and you're not going to have to separate the dies, which thank God. I mean, I wear glasses, but I'm always afraid that I'm going to get little pieces of metal everywhere, and then it's going to get in my foot. So this is Merry Friends, and they're cute little foxes. Listen, Hello Bluebird and Doodlebug make the cutest critters ever. Cutest critters ever. And they just showed their sneak peek for their kit that goes live on the 23rd. I think this video will probably go up after that. But it's so cute. But it's all summer themed, and you guys know I'm about ready for Christmas. So, Merry Friends. So we have 4 single foxes, and then this one together. You have "You're the best gift I could ever wish for." Just for, oh, I may use that. And it's in a card for Rob. "Wishing you love, peace, and joy this holiday season. Your friendship warms my heart. Bring on the merry." And again, this is Merry Friends. Oh my God, look at the little otter. Ah. Now, oh, I forgot. Genoblade, who used to be with Clearly Besotted and now is with MFT, well, was with MFT. MFT is kind of up in the air, and that's kind of what started this whole thought process for me. Her critters are adorable too. So this is called Cup of Cheer, and you've got all these little animals with their cups. This could be a really great stamp for fall. Have a cozy Christmas. Merry Christmas for all of us. Sending you a cup of cheer, season's greetings. Together is the happiest place to be. Our friendship is a special blend. Wishing you comfort and joy and winter wishes. And you know what? I think I want to make a card using the coffee dies from Stampin' Anything. So yeah. All right, the next one is a Merry Carolers. Look how cute. So I'm going to guess that we're going to do at least one Hello Bluebird card a week. Maybe Fridays will be Hello Bluebird Day. I don't know, but aren't they cute? So you've got all of your little critters who are singing. Fa la 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 la. Here we come a caroling. Here we go a wassailing. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. And then we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So sweet. My favorite Christmas carol is shoot. No. My favorite one is Little Saint Nick. Is it Little Saint Nick from the Beach Boys? Way up north where the air gets cold, there's a tale about Christmas that we've all been told. That one? I'm probably gonna it's going to be a copyright claim. Oy. Okay, Misty, stop singing. We'll talk more about my favorite Christmas carols once we start the holiday card series. Merry Makers. Now this one I accidentally picked up a second die, so if you're someone who needs a die for this, let me know, because if not, I'm just going to throw it in my D-stash. So there's that. And then last but not least, this is not a Christmas card, but I thought it would just be cute. I mean, you could use them for Christmas, but I thought it would be cute. Like, I'm always thinking ahead to like Valentine's Day or birthdays, you know, etc. Or, you know, a new baby card. It could really be anything. So yeah, so that's it. Lots of Christmas. You guys know, I mean, once I read that Hello Bluebird was changing things up, I was like, I have got to get that stamp. And I said, can I do an ISO post in the group? And they were like, sure. And then they restocked it and I got it, and I can't help it. And like I said, I think this year is going to be the year of the Santa, because holy Moses, am I just in love with the 2 Santas that I picked up. that's it, friends. So yeah, so leave me, like, let me know if there's anything you want me to talk about, particularly in this craft video that I want to do, or if you have any questions. I haven't done a Q&A in 100 years, so we could do that too. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know which stamp set was your favorite. I don't know that I can pick a favorite, but this one has my heart. He may be day one. We'll have to wait and see. But anyway, I love your faces. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I believe I'm going to be back to Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule at 6 p.m. Central Time. That's just easiest for me. That way if something happens, I can actually edit and get it uploaded same day. So yeah. All right. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.